Folks, welcome back into the 7 Financial Blind Spots. Now, this is not a favorite one of mine, but we have to talk about it. Taxation. Taxes are here. They're not going away. It could be argued maybe we're in a low tax environment right now and might be a good time to take some of those stock profits and pay capital gains tax now and not pay taxes in the future. And then the Roth IRA, there's a bunch of things to consider when we're talking about tax planning.
Sure. I mean, who loves to talk about taxes,
Nobody.
right? I don't think so.
Necessary evil.
But I always tell people, you know, some people I've met with and they have non-qualified accounts. They are invested in the stock markets, but they know that they are not going to use those accounts for income. But they have to claim the 1099 every year on their taxes. Yeah. Well, we have other plans we can figure out for that money. We can invest it differently, make it a tax deferred going forward if we know that we're not going to use it for a certain time, or if we wanted to create an income stream from that account. So we can avoid taxes sometimes. And when it comes to Roth IRAs, that's another thing. People always think, do I really want to pay taxes now? I don't want to. I wanted to keep that IRA account deferred as long as possibly can. Well, when they are 70 and a half, they are forced to start taking required minimum distributions from these accounts, whether they need the money or they don't.
Yeah.
So is it better for them or is it better for the client to create a plan that it's customized for their needs and we take into consideration taxation for the next 30 years of their lives versus just looking on the short period? It's very important to go through those questions with the clients and explain their options there and make sure we figure it out all in advance.
If someone thinks they have a retirement plan or financial plan, but their advisor has never talked about taxation, do they really have a complete plan?
Absolutely not.
Yeah.
It's definitely missing a lot if taxes wasn't into consideration, whether taxes for income currently, whether in the future, whether they're gonna reach 70 and a half, whether how much is gonna impact Social Security payments, because Social Security, a lot of people don't know how it is taxed when it comes to their payments. So we really have to figure out all of this. I always say, you know, you have to build a great puzzles and you start with the corners. And all the topics that we are covering today is to fill up that puzzle and make sure we have a great piece to hang on the wall.
You ever worked hard, put a puzzle together? It was maybe at a rental house and like you saw it on the shelf, so you start putting it together and then figure out there's like 1 or 2 pieces missing?
Oh yeah, that's really the toughest one, right?
That's frustrating. And that's
worked for hours
I
for
know.
nothing.
Well, that's what happens with a lot of folks out there who don't have tax planning incorporated in their retirement plan. Missing pieces of the puzzle.
Correct.
She has all the answers, all the pieces of the puzzle, folks, and there's no cost or obligation if you call the number see on your screen. Make sure you get that plan done for you, the real plan, at the right time of your life.